What is up, guys? Picking up the vlog. It's nighttime and my boy Julian over at San Diego Decals hooked me up with some more decals for my car. I'm rocking the lower windshield banner. He made some YouTube side window stickers for me, and these ones in the back, which I'm really happy with. These look awesome. On that side as well. And then also I did get some tire stickers from him. They say run it on them, and it'll be one sticker per tire for now, but I just need to run to Home Depot and get some rubber cement so I can actually get them to stick on. And yeah, so basically that's it, guys. I didn't record really any of the process on the GoPro. I just recorded on Instagram, and I'm not gonna torture you guys with a portrait video on a YouTube video. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm gonna head home. I just filled her up and maybe drive around for a bit. Maybe I'll throw in some clips for you guys, but for now, peace out, guys.